Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day today, although to be fair, it was a rough day for the entire market, so a lot of stocks were pretty brutal and breaking down through all sorts of areas of support. But it is what it is, so let's get some areas now mapped out here and updated. So the first big update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that 95-cent mark was that key area of support. But now that the price is broken down below it, that would just simply be considered the area of resistance. So if this sideways action here continues, so if the price continues to try to stabilize out and then turn itself around, that's where the big question mark resides. Not necessarily can the price get back up to 95 cents, but more importantly, can the price break above it and stay up above it? So you'll definitely want to keep a very close eye on that if there is any sort of attempted turnaround. And then if the price can push up through that level, next key area to watch would be that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued right up there at the dollar mark. But again, don't want to get too far ahead of yourself. Let's just first see if the price can even get up through that 95-cent mark. In terms of areas of support, nothing fancy here or complicated at all. Literally just a question of, okay, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And that bleeding finally stopped down there at 84 cents. You can see several times the bears try to press down through that level. But to give full credit's due, the bulls did a good job of holding strong there. So you're going to want to watch that very closely at that 84-cent mark. But overall, those are going to be the two main levels. It's really as simple as that. 95 cents key level of resistance, 84 cents key level of support. So now let's see how this one ultimately closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.